Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In this occasion, I will explain how to make automatic naming by using Mailmatch feature in Microsoft Word combined with database from Microsoft Excel. Okay, the first step, we open the Microsoft Word document and we open Microsoft Excel document. Okay, we must make data from Microsoft Excel, such as number, okay, name, for example, I'm sorry, okay. Okay, after that we create, for example, Unyil, Usro, and Uchiret. Okay, number 1, 2, and 3. Unyil 40 kilograms, Usro 45 kilograms, and Uchiret 50 kilograms. And for example, for height, Unyil 130 centimeter, Usro 155 centimeter, and Uchrit 160 centimeter. Okay, it is good enough for this data, and then you should back to Microsoft Word document. Okay, we create some field data in Microsoft Word, such as name, okay, weight, and height. Okay, after that we should choose mailing, okay, and then start Mailmatch step by step Mailmatch wizard, and then you should click the starting document step 1 of 6. Okay, and then you should choose start from existing document. Okay, and more files or browse. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, okay. Okay, start Mailmatch step by step, or starting Mailmatch from Oh, I'm sorry, maybe this document. Okay. Okay, and you should save the Microsoft Excel document name data for meals. Okay. Files. Okay. Data from open. Okay. And after that you should click browse. Okay. Data for open sheet 1. Okay, and if the data is correct you should click OK, and then you should choose write your letter more item, click more item, name uh, weight and height, insert name. Okay, and for the weight you should choose more item, weight, insert, and same step, more item, height, insert, close. Okay, after that you can scroll or next record for each data. Okay, preview your letter. Okay. Okay, this is the simple step to use Mailmate from Microsoft Word combined with data from Microsoft Excel. Thank you very much.